How to see flight live location. Most people get flight tracking wrong by assuming you need special software or insider access. The truth is, in 2025, seeing a flight's live location is easier than ever. Step 1. Choose a flight tracking service. Popular apps and websites like FlightAware, Flightradar, and PlaneFinder provide real-time flight data for commercial flights worldwide. You won't believe what happens next. These platforms allow you to view detailed maps showing the exact location, altitude, speed, and route of planes. Step 2. Enter the flight information. This can be the airline and flight number, departure and destination cities, or even the aircraft tail number if available. The surprising truth is that even if you don't know the exact flight number, most apps allow you to filter by airline, departure time, or airport to find the flight. Step 3. Explore the live map. Once the flight appears, you can track its journey in real time. Flight paths, estimated arrival times, and delays are updated continuously. Some apps even offer December 16, 2025 views showing the plane's trajectory and altitude changes. Step 4. Optional notifications. Most platforms let you set alerts for status changes, such as takeoff, landing, or delays. This is useful for tracking flights of friends, family, or even for aviation enthusiasts. In conclusion, tracking a flight's live location in 2025 is quick, accurate, and accessible to everyone. By using apps like FlightAware or Flightradar, entering flight details, and exploring the live map, you can monitor planes anywhere in the world without specialized knowledge. Whether you're waiting for someone, planning a pickup, or just curious, flight tracking has never been easier.